Hi, I'm Melissa from Resilience Law. I'm a Social Security lawyer, and I just got a client put on Social Security. It's a great feeling for me, and it's a wonderful feeling for my clients as well, but there's a couple things to keep in mind even once you've been approved for Social Security. First of all, you need to keep Social Security in the loop. You need to let them know if you're getting any other kind of benefits that might have an offset for your Social Security. This is important to avoid an overpayment. So that could include workers' compensation benefits, if you receive a third-party settlement, like if you were disabled due to a car accident. And it also includes a government pension or any kind of retirement benefits that you might be receiving. So if you do get anything like that, any kind of a regular payment from anyone other than Social Security, you should let them know so that they can make sure you're not going to be in an overpayment status if you should have been offset and the benefits weren't offset properly. Second of all, you need to keep Social Security informed of all of your kind of biographical information. So where do you live? What's your phone number? What's your email address? How many children do you have? If you have another child, you need to let Social Security know because that child might be eligible for benefits through you. So those are other things to keep Social Security aware of. And as always, I suggest if you need to communicate with Social Security, do it in writing and keep a copy of what you send them. Ideally, send it certified because Social Security loves to lose things or forget about things if you call them and tell them these things. Finally, it's important moving forward with your Social Security claim that you keep seeing doctors. You keep getting treatment. Typically, people who are found eligible at some point in the future will have to undergo what's called a continuing disability review. This is a less formal and less intense process than initially getting on benefits, but Social Security is going to make sure that you're still seeing doctors and that you're still disabled. So if you get on all these benefits and you undergo all the tests and see all the doctors that your lawyer wants you to see to get on benefits, and then you stop once you start getting that check, you could put yourself and your continuing disability in jeopardy. So it's important to keep seeing doctors and keep telling them that you're disabled, even if your condition isn't one that changes regularly. Finally, and that would be to reach out to your Social Security lawyer. I think if you have a Social Security lawyer worth their salt who initially got you on benefits, they're going to stick with you. So if you call them 5 years later, 10 years later, they're going to be happy to answer any questions you have about your claim, even if it's something that they helped you with years or decades ago. Certainly I do. I'm happy to help my clients all the time, even if it's someone I worked with a long time ago. So that's my spiel for today. My name is Melissa. I'm a lawyer at Resilience Law. If you have any questions on Social Security, give me a call. Let's get started.